Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Wangwang and I teach Chinese to foreigners. Chinese is my native language, but I also can speak English. So in this channel, I will help you learn Chinese and understand China better. Today is the episode 1 and today's topic is very simple. If you come to China, which city should be your first stop? China has a very large area, so different cities feels like different countries. And choosing the first city is really important. Let me help you make a smart choice. First, I want to ask you a question. Why do you want to come to China? Is it for travel? Is it for work? Is it for study? Or maybe you want to learn Chinese and experiencing real life here. So different goals, different cities. But today I will talk about the best first cities for most beginners. Let me give you the answer first. For most people, your first city in China should be Beijing, Shanghai, and Xi'an. Yes, only 3. Not 10 or 20. Let me explain why. Let's start with Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. If you want to understand China's history and culture, Beijing is a great first stop. In Beijing, you can see the Great Wall, the Forbidden City, the Summer Palace. These places are not just famous, they tell you how China began. And when you walk in Beijing, you feel history everywhere. Another important reason, people in Beijing speak very standard Mandarin. This is extremely important if you want to learn Chinese. If you learn Chinese in Beijing, your pronunciation will be very clear. Taxi drivers, shop workers, students, most people speak Mandarin that textbooks are based on. That makes learners much easier. But Beijing also has problems. The city is big, very busy, sometimes crowded, and winters are cold. So Beijing is great if you love history and serious cultures. Now let's talk about Shanghai. Shanghai feels very different. It is modern, fast, international. If Beijing feels like history, Shanghai feels like the future. In Shanghai, you will see tall buildings, nice cafes, and people from all over the world. If it is your first time in China, Shanghai feels more comfortable. Another big advantage is, many people in Shanghai can speak some English. So at the beginnings, life is easier. You can order food, you can ask for help, you can make friends easier. This is great if you feel nervous about living in China. But here is the problem. People in Shanghai do not always speak Mandarin in daily life. Many locals speak the Shanghai dialect. So if your main goal is learning standard Chinese, Shanghai is good but not perfect. Now let me tell you a secret. Xi'an is a very underrated city. Xi'an was the capital of China for many ancient dynasties. So history here is also very strong. But the city is smaller and slower than Beijing. Life is more relaxed. People in Xi'an speak clear Mandarins and they speak slower. This is perfect for Chinese learners. Food is cheaper, rent is cheaper, life is less stressful. Another important point, foreigners are fewer here. That means you will use Chinese more. You cannot depend on English. This helps your Chinese improve much faster. Now let me talk about cities you should not choose as your first stop. This part is important. First, very small cities. In some small cities, people are friendly, but also no one speaks English. Public signs may only be in Chinese. If you are a beginner, life can be very hard. You may feel lonely and frustrated. Second, very local cities with strong dialect. For example, some cities in the south, local people speak dialects very different from Mandarin. Even Chinese learners get confused. This is not good for your first experience. So now let me give you my personal advice. If this is your first time in China, choose Beijing if you love history and want the best Mandarin. Choose Shanghai if you want comfort and international life. Choose Xi'an if you want fast progress in Chinese and real local life. But remember one thing. There is no perfect city. The best city is the city that matches your goal. In this channel, I will not only teach you Chinese words, I will teach you the Chinese through cities, through food, through daily life, through real conversations. So maybe next episode, I will teach you how to order food in Chinese, how to take a taxi, how to make Chinese friends, all based on real cities. So if you plan to come to China, or you are just curious, this channel is for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you